Welcome back. So in the previous task, you saw to import the demo content for the website. And now in this task, we'll customize the site. We'll add a slider to our website and we'll also change the appearance of the homepage by changing the theme colors. So let's go ahead and let's click on this customize option here. And it's gonna open a built-in customizer to customize your entire website. So first of all, let me explain this to you. So on the left hand side, you can see our customizer. So you can use this in order to make changes to your website here. So as soon as you make your changes here, you'll be able to see the live changes to your website on this part here. So if you see here, we have our latest blog section here, but we do not want this. We want our homepage theme. So in order to change this, let's go to the homepage settings down. So just click on it. So here you can see by default your homepage displays the latest post. So just change it to a static page, and then in the homepage section from the drop down, let's go ahead and let's select the homepage from here. And then in the post section, go ahead and let's select the blog page here. And it's done. So after you have made changes to the homepage and the post page, now let's go ahead and let's click on this publish button right here to publish the changes that we made here. So go ahead and click on it. So it's done. Now to see the changes, let's go ahead and let's click on this Dr. Clinic web app part here. So let's click on it, and here you can see the appearance for your website. It has been changed entirely. So if you want to view the full screen mode, so you can just choose this hide controls here. So let's go over and let's click on it. So with this, you can collapse the customizer and you can see the entire view of the changes that has appeared on your website. So let's go ahead and let's again click on it to expand the customizer, since we are customizing our website at present. So now let's go back and now let's change the other, or let's say let's change the other settings of the website. Now let's select the homepage settings right here on the top. So just select it, and then let's go ahead and let's select the slider section from here. Now next you need to select the slider category. So let's go ahead and let's click on this drop down. So here you can see we have a variety of categories that you can select for the slider. For example, if you click on this slider option, then here you can see the live changes. It appears on your website. Not only this, if you want, you can also select the other categories as your slider. For example, if I choose this dental one, then here you can see the live changes. It appears on your website. But let me select the slider only. So go ahead and play with it, and just select the one that you prefer the most. So here you can see we have got our slider with its background image, with its title, with its description part over here. So here we have a total of three sliders. So if you want, you can just hide this control to see the changes in the full screen mode. So let's go ahead and let's again expand this customizer. So basically, in this drop down, so here you can see we have different categories. So these are the contents that we have imported. So if you want, you can select the other categories as well. So let me change it to dental. So let me choose dental, and now let's go ahead and let's publish this. So just go ahead and click on this publish button right here. Now let's go ahead and let's refresh this page. So just click on this Dr. Clinic web app, and here you can see the slider. It has been changed to the dental category. So now if you want to change the background image, or if you want to change the title section, or if you want to change the description over here, then for this let's go back to the dashboard area. So go ahead and then go ahead and click on this post section, and here you'll find the categories section. So go ahead and click on this categories option right over here. So I have clicked on it. So here we have the category section. So since we have selected the dental category, so search for the dental here. So it's here. So if you want, you can also search the term dental in the search bar. Then let's go ahead and let's click on this count tree, which is corresponding to the dental category. So let's go ahead and let's click on this count tree. So here you can see we have three different posts that falls under this dental category. So to edit it, just go ahead and click on this edit button right over here, and the post page will appear. So let me click on this edit button. So it's done, and here you can see the post page. It's gonna appear, and it's done. So let me dismiss this. Yeah. So basically, it's the title for your post, then it's the description part, and for the background image, you need to select this feature image. So let's go ahead and click it. And first, let's go ahead and let's change the background image. So first of all, let me remove this feature image. So just click on this remove, and then let's set a feature image as well. So just go ahead and click on it, and here you to drop files to upload, but I'm not going to select this. Rather, I'm going to select this media library, and I'm going to select one of the images from here. So select the best that you think would be better for your website slider. I think this would be better, so let me select this, but you can select any one of them. So I have selected it, and now let's go ahead and let's click on this set featured image right over here, and it's done. Now let's go ahead and let's change the title as well. So go ahead, highlight this, and let's add a title. So let me call it as, or let me set the title as best clinic in town. Now next, let me remove the description part as well. So let me select this. You can do that by pressing Control A in your keyboard. And now let's click, or let's press the backspace key on your keyboard to remove it. Now let me change the description, or let me set the description as we are the best clinic in the town. So go ahead and describe it in your own words. So now let's go ahead and let's click on this update button right over here to update the post. So it's done. Now let's go ahead and let's see whether the change it has appeared on your website or not. So go back to your customizer, and let's refresh this by clicking this Doctor Clinic web app section right here. So here you can see the change it has appeared on your website. Now let's go back. Let's return to our customizer, and let's click on this top header info section right here. So here you can see this part is the top header section. So if you click on hide, then the top header it will not be shown. But for now, let's select this option as show only to show the top header section right over here, and it's done. Now next, let's go back again, and here we have the footer option. So go ahead and click on it. Then we have the copyright option. So go ahead and click on it as well. So for this, just scroll down to the bottom part of your website. So let's go ahead and let's scroll down to the button, and here it says copyright all rights reserved 2020. So if you want, you can change this. So let me add an extra business name here. So let me call it as Dr. Clinic. So this is how you can edit the copyright section. So feel free to add anything that you want here. Next, let me click on this publish button to publish it. So let me scroll up again. So it's done, and now let me go back. So let's again go back. Now let's go ahead and let's click on this theme option right here. Then we have the color option. So let's go ahead and let's click on it. So let me scroll up again. Yeah. So if you want to change the primary color, then you can select a color from here. So you can preview your site live changes. So select any one of them, and here you can see the live changes it has appeared on your screen. For example, if I select the color as red, then the colors or the button colors turns to be red here. but since I liked the previous one, so let me click the default option right here. So select the best color that you think would be good for your website. Similarly, for the top header color, you can choose any color that you prefer. So again, let me select the yellow color. Let me see how it will look. It's not looking that good, so let me select the a bit darker blue. It's good. So select the best color that you think would be good for your website. But since I like the previous one, so let me select the default option only. Next, so if you scroll down here, then here we have the feature section. So the emergency services and the medical college are the part of the feature odd section, while the experienced doctor and the inside city area sections are the part of the feature even section color. So let me select the feature odd section color as let me select it as red, and let me select the feature even section color as let me select it as to be purple. So you can select any color that you think would be good for your website. So if you want to see the full screen mode, so you can just hide this control and you can preview it. So I think it's looking good. So you can select any other color instead of these colors. So I think it's good. So let me go ahead and let me click on this publish button to save the changes or to publish it on your website. So let me scroll up and let me go back to the customizer section. So that's all. So in this task, we saw to add a slider to our site. We also saw how theme partitions can be modified with different colors. And now in the next task, we'll add the feature section. We'll also work with the appointment forms, and we'll also add some widgets area.